Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So, over my career, I have bought quite a few penny cigarette vending machines. They are really quite rare, believe it or not. Maybe I've had 8 of them in 40 years. This is one I just got in. This is a 1920's MIDGET 1-cent cigarette vending machine. So this is right at 100 years old now. Believe it or not, it's a 100-year-old machine. We got it in, it was in very nice condition. So we went through the whole thing, did a full restoration on it. Everything works good. These machines typically would be hung on the wall. However, this one has a really nice base on it. As you see, it's all triple back here. It's screwed on down here to this base. So if you wanted to take it off the base, it's some simple screws and then you screw it to the wall. 1 cent. Now this machine, I put some nice little Lucky Strike graphics on it because that's the early stuff. They don't sell Lucky Strikes anymore. However, these are Camel cigarettes in here. So you can still go to the market and buy Camel cigarettes so you have product for it. It's really quite simple the way it works. You put a penny in it, you push the button, and you get a cigarette. Well, come on, get out of here. Where'd they go, honey?
Yeah, they're dropping down there.
Oh yeah. There they are. Okay, so she's a working good. They just didn't drop exactly. Here's your second one. So, 1 cent penny vending machine from the 1920s. It's in good working condition. They did put a little mirror in here so you can tidy up your hair when you're getting ready to go out onto the dance floor. We did it in a pretty green and red, which was basically Lucky Strike colors. Works good, looks good, is good. Super nice, right at 100 years old. Just a nice little 1 cent vending machine. So, as you know, if you buy it in the morning, we typically get everything out that same day. It gets professionally boxed with nothing but the finest packing materials. If you don't believe me, just read my feedback. As well as, I always want to thank you folks for watching our videos and chiming in, and you guys send us great emails, and we appreciate it all. You're running us up the ladder. I don't know, we got 1 million, 2 million views. It's really a really great thing we've created here, and you folks help us get here. So we appreciate that, and thank you very much for watching. Videos. We've done about 1,600 of them to date, and you guys respond very nicely to it, and we really appreciate it. So if you like them, man, smash the subscribe button, right? Boom, hit the subscribe button and click on the reminder button, and if you do that, you will get reminded. There's a little bell there. Click on that. What we'd like you to do is make comments, and please make sure you share it with your friends. You guys are taking us to the top of the YouTube channel, and if you do those 3 things, you'll be able to see us real time, especially if you hit the bell to remind you. It'll come up every time on your phone. We try to do a lot of fun stuff for y'all, and we appreciate you watching our videos. So let's smash it, let's grab it, let's watch them, let's comment, let's send us comments, share it with your friends. If you do that, you'll take us to the top, and we would really appreciate it.
These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
I mean, we're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.